Hello everyone, welcome back to Clarity4Sure and Agriclarity YouTube channel. The most awaited IBPS AFO 2024-2025 result is out now. Clarity4Sure is extremely happy to extend our heartfelt congratulations to all those candidates who have made into the final list with your hard work and perseverance. We wish you all the very best to become a successful IBPS agriculture field officer. With all your hard work and with all your perseverance and commitment, you are here today. But for those candidates who could not able to clear this examination, especially those candidates who have come till the stage of interview, I can thoroughly understand how gloomy your day would be. Seeing the result and knowing that you're not into the list will be heartbreaking, but do not give up on yourself. Always remember that failure is the stepping stone for success. What will be the key takeaway from the results? You should self analyze yourself, self prospect yourself where you are lacking, whether it is mains or whether it is interview. So you should do self analysis of yourself and make yourself equipped for the upcoming 2025-2026 examination so that you will pass that examination with flying colors. As Swami Vivekananda said, that greatest sin is to think yourself weak. So do not think yourself weak, rather work on the weak areas, the gray areas, so that all those are get rectified for your upcoming 2025-2026 examination, so that you will be in a better position to ace the examination. I just want to add a small point here. See, mains play a major role, in clearing this examination, because mains, the phase 2, the mains examination holds 80 percentage of the total marks for the final selection. So get yourself prepared well for your mains examination and also work on the interview process as well. But mains hold a very big place, 80 percentage of marks. So work on your basics, work on the concepts, work on solving more and more questions so that you leave no stone unturned for your upcoming 2025-2026 examination and ace the examination. Okay, I would like to tell you about the IBPS AFO 24/7 test series that has been launched by Clarity. What's special about this test series? See, this test series is dedicated to your mains preparation, where all your mains syllabus is divided into several blocks, and all the possible questions, all the concept questions, all the basic questions will be put into the test in the form of MCQs, so that your preparation is enhanced. The focus, the clarity of the concepts, the routine of solving the test will be inculcated in your preparation. As I already said, that proper consistency and having perseverance throughout the preparation stage is very important to clear any exam, and IBPS AFO is also one such kind of exam. Okay, so in this test series you will be having a regular test on daily basis, where you will be solving your main syllabus every day. Why daily? Because a proper routine, a proper consistent approach is what you need to clear this IBPS AFO examination. Okay, so get yourself enrolled for this particular test series so that you will be able to, realize your dream of becoming an IBPS AFO officer in the upcoming cycle. So, thank you so much for watching this video and have a very great day ahead.